So today in this class, we discuss about the selection. How can select the data? Okay, this is the data, and I want to select the data. Generally, people just click the mouse and you have select the data. But one another way, we have select the start and press the shift and go to the last. Your data will be selected. Yeah, press the last, use the shift key and go to the first. Your data will be selected. So concept is if when you have click anywhere, your cursor will be moved like that. But if you use the shift key and then click, your selection will be expanded. So this is the very important features when you have data, just like last class we have discussed. I have sent the one this dashboard recording. Are you watch? Last night we have discussing by discussing with group class, so I sent you. Okay. So this is the data. I want to select the data. So click here and go to the scroll down. No, and no any other clicking. Just scroll down for the scroll bar and go to the last. Okay. And you have used the shift key and select the data. Your data will be selected. Okay. Okay. Otherwise, you can also use the shortcut of the shortcut key in the keyboard, just like Control plus A. Control plus A. But before using the Control plus A for all, you have know that with Control plus A, which feature have trigger. Just like every shortcut have a feature, just like Control C, it means copy. This feature will trigger. So in the home menu bar, have a file and select go to special. So when you have pressed the control A, when you use the control plus A, so control plus A trigger the current region. Select current region. It means you have blank row or column in your data will be selected before the blank row and blank column. Okay. Okay. Before blank row, yeah, blank column. Blank row, blank column. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what if okay. Question please. Okay. So you put the blank column there, right? Blank rows, right? Right. Right. Huh? If you want to select both the data without that. I told you everything. Just first listen the class. After the class, you have maximum questions will show automatically. I know you what type the question you ask in this topic. So plus first was the take the class carefully. Okay. I have also every feature, every detail we discuss in the class. Okay. After the class, maybe you have no any questions. Okay. So problem is that if you have the long data and you have not see the your blank row and you have make the report and may copy the data, maybe after, suppose that you have the 50,000 row of the data and after 45,000 have a one blank row. So you not check the blank row and copy the data. That time your data will be copied and pivot and anything will be apply the shortage. So before the copy the data with control A, you have checked the blank row. But how can check the blank row? So use the shortcut control plus down arrow. So we have go to the first the data. When you have pressed the control down arrow, your cursor will be stopped before the blank row. Yeah, blank column. Just like you have the blank column. So we have pressed the control right arrow. So my cursor will be stopped before the blank column. And now the questions, how can select the data? How can select the data with if you have the blank row, but all data you want to select? So we have two and three way. First, I told you with you select with mouse, just like you have clicked the first and use the shift key and go to the last. The data will be selected. Okay. Second thing, you have used the control shift right arrow down arrow. down arrow multiple times. Okay. So
Okay.
you have used the control shift right arrow down,
Shift, right.
down, down. So multiple times. So for if you use this method, if you use this features, you can also aware about the data you what have problem in your data. Okay, but I want to select all data in the one shortcut key. So that time we have used
Okay.
the one shortcut. So we have a blank the data. So go to the start of the data, and now you have used Control Shift E and the and. If you see the keyboard, you have the one keyboard key E and the and press the and your
Mhm.
data will be selected. So and is not
Control Shift N,
huh,
right?
Control Shift and is not select the all data. Select the used cell. Select the used cell. So if you have any
Yes.
use the just like I have used the three column and now we have deleted, but system we have recognized this is the used cell. So when you have pressed Control Shift E and the and they are your blank column will be also selected. Okay. So
Got it. Yep.
I suggest you using the selections, select your data. So first you have used the use the mouse key, use the shift and go to the last your data will be selected. This is the best way of the select your data. Otherwise, you have select with
What
the
is it? Control Shift N, and what is the other one? Control Shift.
control. No, we have Control Shift E and the and. When you press Control Shift E and the and, use cell will be selected. But I suggest you have use the best shortcut for the selecting data. Only for two. First, with mouse, go to the first data, use the press the hold the not a press, hold the Shift key and click the last of the data. Your data will be selected. Otherwise,
Hold the Shift key, hold the
click
Shift
the
key, and
last.
the Control. That's
No,
it.
no, not a control. You go to the click on the first cell, hold the shift key and just click on the last cell. Understand? Click the
Yep. Okay.
first cell, hold the shift key and go to the last. I
Yes.
just
Okay. Okay. So no control. No control.
no
Right?
no yeah, you
Okay.
can see
Okay.
here. So we have go to the first, click here first and hold the shift key and click on the last. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Second shortcut is and second way you have used the control shift right arrow and again control shift and down. This is a down.
Okay.
Again control shift down. Again control shift down. Okay. Your data will be selected.
Okay.
So this is the best way, two way. So you have used, right?
Okay. Yep. 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 So I think that is the easy way, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you have to just hold the Shift key and then go to the last used cell so that it will select entire data that it is used,
Yeah,
right?
right. This is the good. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
And now we have discussed about the other shortcut key. I give the some shortcut list for the data selection. You have practice on this data. After the class, I send this file. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to select the multiple cells, not all data. I want to some multiple cells. So that time
Mhm.
we have used the we have hold the control key and which cell you want to select. You have just click. Your multiple cells will be selected. But remember,
Okay.
do not.
Whatever you want to select.
Yeah.
Okay.
But remember, do not copy this selected area. If you want to select and copy the multiple cells, so select the sequence. Just like I want to click on the A2 and I want to also the C also click on the C2. Also E2 and F2. This is sequentially selected. So now we have copied. Okay. And I
Okay.
want to multiple cells, just like three columns, three, four, five. So in the D column, also select the 3, 4, 5. And F column, if you want to select, also 3, 4, 5. So same sequence, row and column also same sequence. After that, you have copy, then your data will be copied. If you select the
Okay.
random, so you can't copy. You have applied the color, change the value, and apply the formatting, but you can't copy.
Okay.
Okay, but remember when you have select the multiple location with gap, but when you copy and paste to another location, paste will be sequence.
Okay. Okay.
But I want to select the multiple seed, not a shell. Just like I have the one seed and many sheets here. I want to type the date for every sheet. Okay. So some people enter the date in the first sheet, then copy and paste to all cell one by one. So this is not a correct way. I want to just enter the date in the A2. So we have go to the first sheet and hold the
Mm-hmm.
shift key and click on the last sheet. So like cell, you have all sheet will be selected and highlighted and also show the group on the file title. Now, anything you do in the cell, every cell will be affected just like carbon copy.
Okay.
So we have typed the date and we have entered the date here. Okay. Now you can see
Mm-hmm.
every sheet have a date entered, but same location, not a different location. Same location.
Okay. Okay. How did you do that? Sorry.
Go to the first sheet,
Hold the shift.
hold the
Uh-huh.
shift key, and go to the last sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the last
Okay.
sheet.
Okay.
Okay.
The data should be present there
Yeah, right.
before.
Yeah. Before the entering
Okay.
the data, yeah, copy and paste the data. Click on the first sheet, hold the shift key, and go to the last sheet.
Okay. Hold on a second. Let me do that quickly. Okay. Control.
Not a control shift.
First. So, like I have three sheets here. Sorry, four sheets. So I'm holding the sheet shift key and then go to when do you want to release that key?
Before the clicking,
Okay. So I have just a here. I'm going to shift. Not social media for me. Hold on. Can you do that again? Sorry, Sujit, once.
go to the first
Okay.
cell, go to the click on the first cell, and now you
Right.
have hold the shift key.
Uh-huh.
Go to the last sheet. Click on the last sheet. Yeah, yeah, here. Yeah. First, go to the first sheet, hold the shift key,
Uh-huh.
and go to the click on the last sheet.
Hold on shift key.
Yeah.
Just holding shift key again. I think it's selecting. Okay. I think the sheets are selecting, but the
Yeah,
data
sheet
is not coming.
data you have data is not coming. After that, you have type any type of the data. Your data will be copied to every sheet automatically. Data automatic not a coming. Need to type.
Oh, That's right. So that's my question. So in sheet one, whatever is the date, date is there, that has to be
No, not
then you
if you
always
have already data not coming. After the selecting, we have type and copy and paste anything do in the sheet one. Now then apply to see all of sheet.
yeah, of course, yeah, that's what whatever is in sheet one, so that will apply to all the sheets
Yeah,
automatically, right?
whatever do
Yes.
the sheet one already have before the selecting, if you have the data, that is not apply. After the selecting, if you have do anything the sheet one, they are also apply the all sheets.
All the sheets. So just I have a A here. So I'm holding shift key and then go to the last sheet.
Okay, and now we have type anything the sheet.
Okay, I think sheets are selected, so I have to type what in
Any
A. Okay, wait. Hold on.
and now I have go to the any sheet, click on the any sheet and see the result.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, got
I
it.
got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is good. Yeah.
But I want to do with some selected sheet, not all sheet, some selected sheet. I not want to go to the
Mm-hmm.
all sheet, some selected sheet. So that time we have go to the first we have a sheet which you want to enter, and after that you hold the control key. Okay, and you have click which sheet you want to enter the data. Now I have entered the time after the selecting and give the time here. So I have select the seat 1, seat 5 and seat 2. So my time is go to the seat 5, go to the seat 2. So seat 6, seat 4 and seat 3 not have the time because this is not selected. So
Right.
if you want to select the all continuous, then you have used the shift key, and you want to select the multiples, random multiples, that time use the
Control what? T?
control key, can hold the control key and after the click.
Okay.
Okay, just like cell, you have selecting hold the control key and click anywhere or cell will select it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, and understand? So after the
Yep,
class,
yep.
we have share the data. You have do the this keyboard and check the
Shortcuts. Yeah, sure. Yep,
shortcuts.
yep.
And you want the
One thing.
yeah, tell me.
Right, sir. Yeah, my question is so if you do control hold the control key and then select random cells, right? So how you can copy paste in the sequence? I missed that actually.
I told you
So you have to.
I told you ki
Mhm.
if you have select the multiple cells with control key and by
Mhm.
mouse clicking, hold the control key and mouse clicking. So you have click the
Yeah.
random, so they are not a copy. Okay. If you want to copy,
Okay.
need to select sequence, just like A2 to and another column also A2,
Okay.
also
So
two
only if we
number.
can able to select in same row. So
Same row
right.
and same column. So you have select the which row and which column select the first time. So after that you have select the also same row with another column. Yeah, on the same column with another row, the same sequentially. Then you have copy.
Then otherwise it will not copy.
You will not copy. You try to if you to select the random, try to copy. So yeah, this action not work.
Yeah, it's not copy that. Yeah, exactly. That's I tried it. Got it.
Okay.
It has the same column. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Now, tell me any question about the selection. You have any question about the selection?
No, 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 no. We are good. Yeah, yeah.
All right. So I also told you, I know because I give the classes last 17 years. I know ki what type the question will student make in this topic. So we have also covered. Okay. So today you have late join. So we have the another class. So if you have any question after this topic, you can ask because next 5 minutes have another class.
Oh, okay.
So you have any questions?
No, no.